welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on March 28th. Market analysis. Affected by the threat of a full-scale escalation of the trade war initiated by the Trump administration in the United States, risk aversion has once again warmed up, and the spot gold market has once again exerted its strength. This trading day, the Asian market reached a record high of $3,082.84 per ounce, and it is currently trading at around $3,080 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 30.69 to 30.83, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,083 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 30.93 to 30.103. If the afternoon market breaks 3,069 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 30.59 to 30.49. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the main decline mood in hours, and the chart is in shock in 15 minutes. The oscillation range of the short-term 15-minute chart is 1.0770 to 1.0820. Investors can flexibly sell at high prices and buy at low prices within this range. If the exchange rate in the afternoon successfully breaks through 1.0820 points, we can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 1.0860 to 1.0890. If it falls below 1.0770 points, you can consider intervening in empty orders. The target position below can be seen in the range of 1.0730 to 1.0700. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar fluctuates at a high level on the hourly chart and at a high level on the 15-minute chart. The fluctuation range is 1.2922 to 1.2992, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2992 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 1.3020 to 1.3080. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2922 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 1.2870 to 1.2810. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6279 to 0.6332. If the market breaks 0.6332 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6365 to 0.6390. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6279 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6235 to 0.6210. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is at a high level. The short period 15-minute chart is in the oscillation stage, and the oscillation range is 150.57 to 151.22. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen falls below 150.57 points in the afternoon, you can consider intervening in empty orders, and the target position below can be seen in the range of 149.70 to 149.20. If you successfully break through 151.22 points, you can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 151.68 to 152.15. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.